I'm so excited and I'm so proud, you know.
One more thing off your bucket list.
Good day, guys. I don't know, it's the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. One of my friends are coming over. I'm so excited. You don't know. Yo! How I do them? I'm going for her downstairs in a few. You're gonna see her. I'm so extra. That bang though. Take a chance and wear a bang today. So I'm going downstairs. Is my flash on though? Oh. You do that. Oh, 30. Hold her 17. There she is. Huh? It's not snap. It's for the vlog. Where you walk from Main Street? Walnut? Her makeup though. It's so on point though.
Always on point. You subscribe so much time you tired me to watch. And you know upload come every time you tell me just be a laugh, me laugh.
So we're going upstairs back now, guys.
Yes.
We think we did go up on the road.
Yeah, you know hungry?
Yeah. So if we go put on my shoes and come back.
Yeah, no, so warm to your, wait, the warm to your slippers and I
see me put them dry. I go put on my sneakers. So guys, we're going back upstairs now. How are they in place? What, bad part or another? How far away is you live from here, son? How far away is you live from here? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna put on my shoes.
Every day you vlog?
No. I mean, not if you can upload, can my editing software now work.
So I'm to Wi-Fi around here.
No, I don't care my computer.
Oh.
So, what am I saying? I don't know. I'll put on my shoes and go on the road. How are you going to eat? Me eat Wendy's like 3 days in a row now. I need to calm down before my belly starts getting
come on, ain't nobody eating no Wendy's.
So guys, I'll talk to you later. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. That smile though.
Yes. Nicholas, you're in my way. Move your big self out of my way. Outfit of the day, people. She's working the bag. Look at it. She had the arm. You remember upscotch, people? You remember upscotch? Watch out. Imitation ear, punky.
I'm going to go on just a while ago. I never did a record. I'm going to go just a while ago. I never did a record. Yeah. Where? I don't know. I'm at my favorite store in the whole wide world. H&M, and I'm about to.
I know, security. This is our security car.
Personal security. I need to go look through my stuff them now and get my blouse them. This is my favorite store in the whole wide world. H&M. Check it. So guys, I'm gonna deal with this now. I don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! What did Hi guys, you don't know it's your girl MELICASKYLIFE. Why my phone has a 6 minutes 55 seconds? I'm gonna move everything. We're on our way to New York right now. I'm going on the train for the first time. Pretty excited about that. City Hall right there. A City Hall at Ireland, please. So all I... Oh.
And that's the train station.
Down there is the post office. Where
Go
train?
up this up.
And we're going up there, which is the train station. Here's the way I walk? Oh. So, this is me going on a train for the first time. No one if you go feel weird.
Like train.
We never go on train yet.
That's when you go on train, someone at Jamaica.
So, that's what we're gonna do now. Oh, I don't know if you buy a ticket to the train tracks. We're going. Okay. So they don't have like shops up here so people can buy stuff.
Buy stuff?
Like maybe snacks, I don't know.
No.
Okay.
Basically, when you're going to Manhattan, no. You come out to the Penn Station and you see all the extras.
It's orange. Over there is the library, the big building there over there.
Get my ticket.
Oh, you know, so me think of somebody when you go there, you sell a ticket. Are you just going there?
We're in the beach and downstairs.
Okay. The train now. I'm in Manhattan. First time here.
Ladies and gentlemen,
the voice.
This is the heart of the world. Manhattan.
Manhattan.
You know when I'm outside
Empire over there. So.
Oh, Empire the movie.
I know. I didn't show it. I didn't show them.
The place for every and anything is here. So I make sure I bring her down here and one in the heart of every station. So I
I'm excited, guys. I'm excited.
Alright, so let's go.
Oh, one more thing. Yes, when I go in the train, I'm going to go underground. My ears them kind of pop worse than when I on the plane. I was so shocked. But that was my own.
It's like you're on line and you just suddenly go down.
I said, what is?
So you get that little ear,
Yeah, I was shocked about that. Pop.
ear bubble.
Yeah. So, anyways, guys, later I'll zoom in back.
on the streets.
Sir?
Taking a picture for someone. You take good?
You wanted the background in it?
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
So guys, right now we're in Sephora. It's about 8:30. I don't know. Oh, I was so on point.
Ask her what date it is.
Not sure of the day. Sorry. And then but me never know say in a Sephora you can just come in and try and make up them or whatever.
Yeah. You can
I don't know.
try the makeup because they want you to try to see what you prefer, so you buy.
So you can
And you can get people do it on you.
so you can do a full face of makeup in here for free and walk out. Where in a Jamaica? Where? Where?
Let's open our own store.
No, Jamaica. So guys, we're gonna head. Where we are gonna? We're gonna go on different places. See if we can get one nice reasonable. And this eyeshadow. Yeah, that better. That better. So we are gonna.
Oh, let's walk see the heart of.
So
I'm gonna eat something.
we're gonna head to Times Square now, and then we're gonna get something to eat. Up here? Okay, so we're gonna walk to Times Square and then get something to eat, hop on a train back to where we're coming from, to New Jersey, and then we're gonna do some more running around. This will be my final vlog, like the ending of my vacation vlog.
Except at the airport.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog at the airport. I'm gonna go tired, I'm gonna go to sleep.
It's too early.
So I'm not sure I'm gonna come back on, guys, but if I don't come back on, please remember to give this video a thumbs up hit that subscription button. Definitely show the love. Leave a comment below. I'm so excited and I'm so proud, you know.
One more thing off your bucket list.
Leave a comment below of one of the places you want to go to in the world, your bucket list. And you know, write down these things and maybe one day you can actually get figured there, because these things me write down actually. You understand? So yeah, later.